So in today's video, we have our Boxycharm Premium for the month of March 2022. This is $28.99, so $29, almost $30. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money? Then keep on watching. Alrighty, so like I said, this is the Boxycharm Premium. You get between 5, mostly 6 full-size items. And yeah, let's just see what we got. All right, so when you open it up and you see the blue, then you know it's the premium. All right, where's the card? Okay, so the theme for this month is Game Changer. And then on the back tells you everything that you got, gives you description, prices, and all that, which I love. Something in this box smells so good. I don't know what it is. Okay, so here's a little sneak peek. Not too much. You know, I like to tease a little bit. Okay, so I think this, yeah, this is what I smell. Okay, so this is from the new company. I think this is a fragrance. It has to be. It's called The Pill. I don't know how I feel about that. Is it? Maybe it's not. Because it says vitamin C, AHA. Maybe it's not a perfume. It's a serum. Oh my God, let me get my money glasses. Holy smokes. This puppy is $85 for this little bitty thing. What in the world? Okay, let's read it. It's a serum. It says, this is a single daily dose of high potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. Okay, so it smells perfumey, but maybe it's something else in here. Could be something else in here. All right, so that's what it looks like. Anytime you see vitamin C or anything like that, you always want like a darker bottle, and make sure you put it in like a cool or room temperature place. I'm not going to swatch it or anything like that, because once you open it up, you start, you know, and then after 3 months, it loses its potency. You know what I mean? So, all right, we have that. I don't like the name The Pill. I don't know. Could be triggering, but hey, you know, I'm being a little picky, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so the next thing is from Grace and Stellar. It says everything is better in pink. Yes, it is. Oh, it's an eye mask. And this is $24. It says everything is better in pink collagen boosting eye masks. Okay. Why can't I open this? All right, so, oh, this is something totally, I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so that's what it looks like right here, the pink. I love how it's like individual, and you get a lot in here, like a lot. You know, how much did I say this was? I mean, for $24, that's not bad. Like, you get a lot in here. Does it say how many you get? 12. That's pretty good. Okay, so it's like $2 a pack. I ain't mad at that. The next thing is from Keys. This is a transformation cream. This is $30. Fragrance free, so this is not what is smelling like something. I don't know. It's a hydrating and moisturizing face cream. Okay. There's a little sticker here. Oh, this packaging is just gorgeous. It's like a purplish blue. In the light, you can definitely see. This is something you could put in your vanity or something like that. Ooh, and look, it's a black safety seal. I mean, so fancy. I like this. And it's only $30. Wow. And it's filled up to the top. All right, so let me take a little bit off and just see the consistency. Oh, that's nice. It's nice and thick, like, you know? I like it. I actually really, really like that. Okay. Love that. I'm happy to get this. But so far, it's all skincare. So let's move on. Okay, the next thing is a de-stress muscle gel. I know. Boxycharm, you're playing with me, right? Did you really put a muscle gel in here? I mean, I can always use it on my back. Let's just be real. That's why if you notice, I'm always doing this in my videos, because when I sit in one spot for a while, I can feel the pain go down my leg. So it's like I got to do that number, you know? So, okay. So this is $40. It's a muscle reliever. I just put lotion on, so I can't open it. I was going to smell it, but what do you guys think about this? Like having a muscle gel in a beauty box. This is like a FabFitFun, Boxy Luxe, right? Not in a beauty box, not in a premium, but I mean, I'll use it. Don't get me wrong. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of this. Okay, 2 more things. I mean, so far, no makeup. Okay, we finally have a makeup product. This is from Ather Beauty. This is the Big Bang Mascara. I've never tried this. Who remembers the show Big Bang? With Sheldon and all that. Oh my God, I love that show. The Big Bang Theory. Okay, so this is $28. And I think it's in black, right? I hope it's in black. And you guys know what do I always say when I get a mascara? I am a hashtag natural lash type of girl. So I don't mind. Like, I'll never get mad. Keep sending me mascaras, you know? Ooh, that's a pretty packaging. You know, like, yes, it's Big Bang. All right, let me see what the wand looks like. Okay, so it's black, and it's a little different. Like, it curves a little bit, and I like curvy wands, you know. I do, you know. So I'm glad to get it, and it's black. I'll definitely try it. I've tried their eyeshadow palettes, which are nice. Okay, what is the last thing? Please let it be makeup. All right, so this is from Ciate London. This is a Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. So I don't know if you would consider this skincare or makeup. I'm not sure. You know, I guess everybody would think differently. All right, and how much you be? $32. This is a dewy skin, you know? Like I said, I've said it before, I have combination skin. So I'm like oily in the T-zone and more. I used to be like normal. Now it's like dry normal, you know? So it might work. I don't know. As I'm aging, it's like my body is just changing, you know? My taste buds are changing. I used to hate tomatoes. Now I kind of like them. Like just different things. My makeup style is changing. Like everything changes, you know? So even my skin. That was my point. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And let's do a little swatch. What would you consider this? It has a safety seal, which is good. You guys can see. So what would you consider this? Would you consider this a makeup product or skincare? Let me know. All right, I just want to see. All right, so it comes out white. Okay, and I can definitely see, you could see where it will definitely make it a little dewy. But you know what I would use this for? Where I'm dry around here. So that might help me, you know? So, all right, I'm definitely going to try it. I'm definitely not going to put it in my T-zone, but I will put it there and see if that helps, you know? Okay, so I got variation 300. So let's recap everything that I got, and then I'll give you my thoughts and all that. So we have this primer. We have the mascara from Ather Beauty. We have this De-Stress Muscle Gel. We have eye patches. It must be this. The serum is $85, but I wouldn't think it has fragrance. I mean, when I opened this, I thought there was fragrance in here, like a perfume sample. I was getting, not a sample, but perfume. And I got a little excited because, like, I'm into perfume. I buy perfume now more than I buy my eyeshadow palettes. Like, I'm always looking at perfume. But, all right, so we have that. I don't like the name The Pill because it could be triggering for some people. But, I mean, like I said, I'm just being picky, you know. But anyway, we'll see how I hope the serum works. We got this cream that I think the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. And it feels really nice. So I'm happy for that. And is that everything? I think that's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's everything. So if I had to rate this between a 1 to a 5, 1 being I want to throw it away, 5, I'm doing cartwheels. I'd probably say it 2. And let me tell you why. The only makeup product we got was the mascara. Unless you consider the mascara, I mean the primer, makeup or skincare. I'm not sure because, I mean, you need it for your makeup, but I don't know. But let's just say it was makeup. You got 2 makeup products, but really the mascara, right? The rest is all skincare. I am so sick of getting eye patches. I mean, listen, I always say I love getting anything for the eyes, and I will use these up. But it's like, I don't know. And the rest is skincare. What happened? I don't understand what's happening with Boxycharm. It's like, it's a skincare box now, you know? I mean, don't get me wrong. The skincare is all really nice things. It's not like cheap stuff. It's nice. But I'd be happy if I got like 3 makeup products and then 2 skincares. I wouldn't complain so much. You know what I mean? All right, guys, that's everything. Please give this video a like. It really does help me out, or dislike it. Leave, okay, whatever that was. Leave a comment. That helps me out too. Let me know what you think of the premium box. Did you get it? Let me know if you would be happy if you got this box. Leave an emoji. Let me know how your day's going. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. That way you'll be notified for all of my future videos. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say. Stay beautiful. Stay healthy. No, I said that totally wrong. Let's try. I did that last time. Stay beautiful. No. How do I say it? Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.